Hey guys, Billy here. Today I want to talk about this Frigidaire Puresource3 replacement water filter. Now today I'm going to show you how to install this in the Frigidaire refrigerator, and I'm also going to talk about why I specifically chose this, and that way you get an idea of how to install this. Now I have to be honest, the reason that I use this over and over again is because it does such a great job of reducing up to 99% of contaminants such as chlorine, taste and odor, pesticides, lead, mercury, BPA, all these things that I honestly don't even know what they are, but I do know that it is absolutely crucial to have purified water, not only for your drinking water, but also for your ice as well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to install this. It is so simple and so easy. So let's go ahead and get the process started. I've got my tool bag with all the different things that are just pretty useful, and we'll go ahead and get started. Wait a minute, we don't need tools. You know what? Don't grab your tool bag. We are good to go. I'm just going to toss this out. Somebody will clean that up. Now, before we get started, you do need to make sure that your refrigerator is compatible with this specific replacement filter. Now, this is the WF3CB model, so make sure you look through the list and make sure that your refrigerator is compatible. So what we're going to do, step number one is very simple. We are going to remove the old existing water filter before we can install this one. Okay, so to remove the existing filter, all you have to simply do is push in, and it will unlock. That's as simple as it is. What you're going to do is you're going to take your old filter out, which is going to be a little bit heavy than what you would normally see because this is actually filled with water. So what we're going to do is we're going to dispose of this water filter. All right, now step two, we are going to take the brand new replacement filter. We're going to take these little caps off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that these are lined up in the correct spaces, which you see here in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of turn it upside down, and we're going to make sure that it fits in as so. And as you can see, it lines up just perfectly. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to push it all the way in until it clicks. Like that. So that is step number two. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do step number three, which is to take the brand new replacement filter and flush water into the system, and then just to flush everything out, and then to get nice smooth stream of water. Very simply, you just need to get yourself kind of a nice big container, and you're going to fill this up with water, and you're going to run this for around 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Now when you get started, it's actually going to go kind of slow, and it's going to start making some noise, kind of flushing the system. Now, the first time I did this, it absolutely freaked me out. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it until it just completely goes through. The entire filtration process takes about 3 minutes, so we'll go ahead and speed this up. I decided to get 2 because this is taking forever, but part of the process. All right, so I think that about does it. I'm taking a look at clear glass. Everything looks pretty good. Little taste test. Not bad. All right, so that is how you replace your Frigidaire Puresource3 replacement water filter. Very simple, very easy to do. Remember, it's just 3 steps. Step number 1, take out your existing water filter. Step number 2, replace it with the new replacement filter. Step number 3, flush out the system and get nice, delicious, purified water. Listen, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you need to get some replacement Frigidaire Puresource3 water filters, all you have to do is go to the description below this video and you can go ahead and get your replacement filter. I have mine on auto order. It comes in every 3 months. So listen, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have other tutorials, product review videos, different things that I like to do, and that way you guys get a ton of value. Now I have to go fix that window that I broke. So see you later.